guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to be making some mustard green soup. This is mustard greens. This is an Asian mustard green. You can find this at your local Asian grocery stores. Looks like this, guys. Beautiful green leaves, nice white stalk. Make sure they're firm so you know that it's fresh. Okay, so we're gonna need a pot of water. Okay, and we're gonna add to it some pork belly and some slices of ginger. Make sure you give it a generous amount of slices of ginger if you like ginger. It's delicious with this soup. Okay, so just throw them in there. Simple seasoning, just 3 ingredients. We got chicken bouillon, MSG, which is optional, and sea salt, okay? If you're not gonna use MSG, then add more bouillon to it. All right, dump it in there. Okay, and then we're gonna make sure that this comes to a boil and that the pork bellies are thoroughly cooked before we add in our mustard green, all right? Okay guys, so this has been boiling for about 5 to 7 minutes. It's now ready for mustard green, okay? So just cut however big or small you like. I like one about this size. Okay. Oops. Okay, and then you don't want to overcook the mustard green, so just slightly push it down. Okay, just like that, and turn off your heat right away. That's it. You don't need to be on anymore. And this is completely cooked. We have this nice, beautiful, savory, easy, simple soup. And voila! Beautiful mustard green soup. Okay, and you can just eat it by itself like this, but I like to eat mine with rice, steamed rice, and my homemade garlic chili oil. So, yeah, let's just taste it the way it is first. Okay, we got a pork belly. Let's see, and slices of ginger. It's so good with this soup. And eat whole slices like that. Mustard. The broth is so savory, guys. So good. This is comfort food soup. Okay, so like I said, I like to eat mine with rice. So I'll just take some rice, put it in my soup like this. Just like that. I'll add some of my homemade chili oil, garlic chili oil. If you like it spicy, gives it a kick. And this becomes a whole new bowl of soup, a whole different soup, but it's delicious. Gotta give it a try, guys, if you've never had mustard green with pork bellies. So good. Alright guys, can enjoy my soup. Thanks for watching. And I hope if you never had this, to give this a try. Okay, see you next time. Bye.